Opportunity knocks. This Centex built pool and lakeview home features the Raleigh floor plan known for a spacious home design. This home features formal dining, separate den, kitchen with breakfast bar, dining nook, and split bedroom plan with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Many upgrades from entry throughout: etched front door, coffered volume ceilings, crown molding, deep baseboards, neutral chiseled tile on diagonal, 8 feet doors, hardwood floors in den and master, plantation shutters. The sizable kitchen offers 42 inches richwood cabinetry, under cabinet lighting, stainless appliances, tiled backsplash and amp, pantry. The stately master suite shows off volume ceilings, lush wood floors, walk-in closet and amp, light-filled windows and amp, door to Lanai. Master bath features jetted tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks and amp, linen closet. Stepping out to the Lanai and amp, screened pool deck offers plenty of room for relaxing by the pool, oversized 40 by 16, and spa. Hurricane shutters on Lanai and amp, Aqualink system installed for pool and amp, spa operation. Perfect home in a great community. Somerset at the Plantation is a beautiful, popular community offering Florida resort-style amenities within a golf course and amp, preserve environment.